Recently, I found these lip balms are working on my chapped and pigmented lips. I had zero hope on its efficiency, but I gave it a try. And thankfully, I bought both of them because the first one has SPF 50 and PA+++, which is good for going out, and it has a smooth texture. But the second one with hyaluronic acid is little different because of its texture. It has some scrubbing effect which will remove dirt and dead cells from the outer layer of the lips, and hyaluronic acid will lock the moisture.
The first time apply করার সময় I was literally hopeless कि এটাও কাজ করবে না, but after application I was like, oh wow, this is really different.